just want to share with you a little Easter DIY. Went to Target, got this Easter lily here, and it usually comes like wrapped in like some sort of pastel paper. Got one of my chinoiserie plant pots that I have around. And then just some dry moss and a little bit of paper. So what we're gonna do, you just take that supermarket Easter lily, put it in the pot, secure the pot nicely by putting paper around, so it's not like moving around in there, and prop it, and it'll also help to prop up.
So to spare you listening to that crackling paper, I decided to do voiceover. So you just basically secure, go around the pot, secure the plant pot in place, and also you're making a foundation to put your moss on. And so you just go all the way around, and then when you're done tucking it all in nice and tight, then you're gonna start putting your moss on top, and you're just like gonna layer it around. Also, if your plant pot doesn't have a hole in the bottom, I suggest putting a plastic container under the plant before you put the plant in, maybe putting a few pebbles on that so that when you water your plant, the water has a place to drain. And it's not sitting in a big wet mess, which will inevitably kill the plant, which I know a lot about because I'm really good at killing plants. And here you have it, your beautifully potted Easter lily.